This is a tutorial for the Pixie Sit, also known as Martini Sit. I like it as Pixie Sit, I think it's really cute. So we're going to go down to the floor first, and then we're just going to talk about the legs. So there'd be an inside leg hook at the back of the knee, so just like this. This is what the position would look like. So we're sitting down, and that's why I'm asking you to do it from the floor, because we do actually want to sit down when we're up the pole, if that makes sense. So from there, I've got my left leg on, so that means I want to take my left elbow as close to that left knee as possible. And then I want to put that left hand on the outside of the right thigh. And then from there, if you're all good up to there, you take an extension with the outside leg, which is the right leg, take that extension, and then your hand comes off. That's the Pixie Sit. Okay, let's try that the other side. So, there, so the back of the knee, arms to there. The reason why the elbow comes so close to the knee is because if it was higher up, you're going to struggle getting that hand on the outside of the knee. Whereas if it's nice and close, you get it quite easily. So there, extend, hand off, and that's your Pixie Sit. Hand back on, release. So let's talk about that standing up. So we're going to just hook the inside leg. So hands, just rest them one across your chest, one nice and high. Extend to there, and then you can organise your hands differently. So you want them quite close together, and there is a distance between the hands and the knee. And then from there, you're going to plie in this bottom leg. So bend to sit down. From there, knee lifts up, and then I spin. And then the inside arm comes to elbow, and then you extend, you grab the knee, you extend, oh look, I came around to there. Back on, stand. Let's try that the other side. So we have, let's start facing the pole. I'm going to step at the left leg, hook the right leg, step, extend, hook, got my hand ready in that position, sit down, knee, elbow, leg, hand, hand, hand. And that's it. That's all there is to a Pixie Sit. Might feel a little bit pinchy on the knees at first, but as everything else, it will get better. So give it a go a few times and maybe try it with a little bit more spin.